Okay, so my name is Meg Robinson, and this is how I would define personal branding. Personal branding is just something that is an active choice on how you decide to represent yourself through social media and through different marketing techniques. I mean, social media is a way that we can market ourselves as a brand and market kind of the things that we believe in and the things that we hold true. So for my personal branding, I find a lot of pictures that are of my friends and family, different activities that I like to do, insight into my day-to-day life. There's a lot of nature, art, and spontaneity involved. So there are three aspects of personal branding, and those would be personality, consistency, and expertise. For me, personality, the two aspects that I make apparent on my social medias are spontaneity and unique style, and you can see that through some of the images that I've linked. Consistency, I do post images that represent my brand and all follow some sort of consistent aesthetic pattern. And expertise, through my Instagram stories, I post images and articles that credit my personal brand. So different artists that I like, different activists that I follow, things like that.